Hi everyone. Welcome to the InboxPlus tutorial series. Today, I'm going to show you how to create an email template from scratch and how to use our special AI feature to make this process even easier. Let's dive in. First, let's create an email template from scratch. Next, click on the New Template button. Here, you can start by giving your template a name. This helps you identify it later. Let's name this one Welcome Email. Now, you can add your subject line and body text. For this example, let's write a simple welcome message. Once you're done with your content, you can format it using the toolbar above. You can add underline, italics, links, and more. When you're done, simply click the Publish button. And just like that, you've created an email template from scratch. Now, let's check out our AI feature for creating templates. To create a template using our AI feature, click on New Template again. Now, click to this AI button. You'll be prompted to provide a few inputs. For example, let's say we need a follow-up email after a meeting. Fill in the details like purpose, email tone, and any specific points you want to include. Once you've entered all the information, click the Generate button. And here's the magic. The AI has generated a complete email template based on the inputs you provided. If you're happy with it, simply click Use This As. The template is now ready, and all you need to do is hit the Publish button. Congratulations! You've just created an email template using our AI feature. It's quick, easy, and efficient. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to create email templates with InboxPlus.